What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. We're going to be installing the forbidden Mk7 Gti mod on the GTI today. Alright guys, so I went with the Rally Armor mud flaps. I was split between these and the Rock Blocks ones. And the Rock Block guys said that they were going to talk to me about sending me a pair or working on a deal. And they never did, so we went with Rally Armor. Oh, these are nice. So compared to the Rock Blocks, these things are a lot more flexible, which is nice because the car's lowered. I didn't want to rip them off, but I went with the gray logos to kind of match the silver grayish car. I was thinking about the red, but I thought that might be a little bit too in your face. So we got the black ones with gray logos. So we're gonna get these put on. We're gonna see how many scene points this is gonna give the GTI after we put these on. This is gonna be full rally car, bro. As you guys can see, mud is definitely a problem here, especially with these tires that stick out further. I'm getting a lot of spray coming up this way. Back here too, a lot of spray. So I'm hoping that these are gonna fix the problem, and I really like the look of mud flaps. Alright guys, so we just got the front done. It looks like they're probably gonna need some adjustment after a while, but looking pretty fresh. Hoping that we get rid of all of that there, but you guys can kind of see how much they stick out. I might push them in further, just so they're not so far crazy out, but we'll see how this looks. I mean, they're so easy to adjust. I can run them for like this for a little bit and see what I like. I didn't know she had. Yeah. So all in all, that took about an hour and 15 minutes. I ended up jacking the car up. I didn't think I was gonna have to, but the back are pretty tight and I didn't have the right tools to do that. So jacked the car up, as you guys saw, took the wheels off. So let me show you exactly what this thing looks like right now. So they definitely need a little bit of fine adjustments to really dial them in. I think they look really good. I think they're gonna work really well with the tires and wheels that I have in the car and the back roads that I usually drive. It's gonna keep a lot of garbage off the car. I know this thing needs a full detail, so I'm gonna be doing that here real soon. If you guys want a set of these mud flaps or anything else for your GTI, head down to ECStuning.com. There's a link in the description. Those guys helped me out with this project. Maybe consider buying something from those guys. Help out the guys that helped me out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon. Peace.